If you've got pain or numbness here or here, you need this. Let's just do some quick exercises and stretches that'll boost circulation and really just heal your grip so that your hands feel human again. Let's begin with some wrist circles. Moving nice and slow, both directions. Just remember, motion is lotion. So sometimes it's not carpal tunnel, nothing serious, right? It could just be a little bit of arthritis, and with arthritis, osteoarthritis, synovial fluid is the thing that makes it feel better. So it really is, lotion for the joint. The joint actually makes synovial fluid when you move it. So just doing this, you are greasing your joints, and that decreases friction and inflammation, which decreases the symptoms of arthritis. So osteoarthritis anyways. So motion is lotion, just remember that. So we're making some circles. Now we'll open up your palms, fingers and thumbs out, and then just do like you're going to play the piano in an evil way. You're gonna do evil piano playing. Start to strum your fingers. All right, we're just greasing up the joints. We're greasing everything up. Some more circles. Now let's do some big stretches, okay? So take your fingers, straighten your arm, bend your fingers backwards, take your other hand and just help to pull them backwards and stretch the forearms. Woo! I wouldn't say that I even have any of those symptoms necessarily, but even still, this is intense. So you can back off if it's too much, or if it starts to feel numb in any of your fingers or your thumb when you're doing this, just back off a little bit. So you judge how much tension you create. Just creating length in all of the connective tissues and the forearm muscles here, flexion muscles. All right, now we'll do the other side. Remember to keep your arms straight for a deeper stretch. Now this side is way more intense than the other side, so you might have a side that's more intense too. This my dominant hand, so that makes sense. So you use these muscles. These are your fine motor muscles, so holding your phone, driving, typing. So if you do any of those things, this should be part of your regular routine just to stave off any potential carpal tunnel situation that might be a little bit more serious than just tightness. Couple more breaths here. And now we'll do the other side. So just flip it over and get the top on both sides. Good, now here is the actual exercise that we're gonna do. So we'll start with your left hand. Make a fist. So have it like this so that the palm of your hand is facing you. You're doing one of these. Why I oughta, right? Make a fist and then open your fingers up with your thumb still squeezed into your hand, right? And you're using muscles. You're really doing it here. You're really stretching those fingers out. And now open your thumb up like that. Keep stretching and then turn it around like that. Take your other hand and grab your thumb and pull it down. Now the first time I did this, it did a big crack. And it felt really good. So if you get a big crack, that's good. All right, release. Wiggle it around, and now let's do it on the other side. So do your why I oughta on the other side, make a fist. All right, really strong. And then open your hand really strong, but keep your thumb touching. And now open your thumb, everything's really strong. Turn your hand around. Take your other hand, pull that thumb down. And if it makes a big crack, even better. Good, and now we'll just finish with some circles. That feels better. I can do my evil piano playing and it feels a lot better. I like it. You just turned strain into strength, so now you can just go handle your life.